Homemade opera cake recipe, decadent French pastry. Welcome back to Multi-Recipes and COOKERIES channel. Today, we're diving into the world of French pastry with a homemade opera cake recipe. This classic dessert is known for its layers of coffee-soaked sponge cake, rich chocolate ganache, and creamy coffee buttercream. If you're ready to embark on a culinary journey, let's get started. Ingredients for the cake: 4 large eggs, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons unsweetened cocoa powder. For the coffee syrup: 1/2 cup brewed espresso or strong coffee, 2 tablespoons sugar. For the coffee buttercream: 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1 cup powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon instant coffee powder, dissolved in 1 tablespoon hot water. For the chocolate ganache: 4 ounces semi-sweet chocolate, finely chopped, 1/2 cup heavy cream. Step 1. Let's start by making the sponge cake layers. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, beat 4 large eggs and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy. Sift in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour and 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Gently fold them into the egg mixture until well combined. Pour the batter into a parchment paper-lined baking sheet and spread it evenly. Bake for 12-15 minutes, or until the cake is springy to the touch. Step 2. While the cake is cooling, let's make the coffee syrup. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of brewed espresso or strong coffee with 2 tablespoons of sugar. Simmer until the sugar dissolves. Set it aside to cool. Step 3. Now, let's make the coffee buttercream. In a mixing bowl, cream 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter. Gradually add 1 cup of powdered sugar and the dissolved instant coffee mixture. Beat until smooth and creamy. Step 4. And finally, the chocolate ganache. Place 4 ounces of finely chopped semi-sweet chocolate in a heat-proof bowl. Heat 1/2 cup of heavy cream until it's just about to boil. Pour the hot cream over the chocolate and let it sit for a minute. Step 5. Now, it's time to assemble our opera cake. Cut the cooled sponge cake into 3 equal rectangular layers. Place 1 layer on a serving platter and brush it generously with the coffee syrup. Spread half of the coffee buttercream over the first layer. Place the second cake layer on top and repeat with coffee syrup and the rest of the coffee buttercream. Finish with the final cake layer and press down gently. Your homemade opera cake is ready to impress your friends and family. Be sure to refrigerate the cake for a few hours to let the flavors meld together. Now, all that's left is to slice, serve, and savor the decadent layers of this exquisite French pastry. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our Multi-Recipes and COOKERIES channel for more delicious recipes, and share your baking adventures with us in the comments below. Ingredients and preparation methods are in the description box. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much, opera cake lovers.